And here they are all set up. They take a little bit of assembly. You have to put some bolts at the bottom. There's 3, and around the rim there's 3 more. And then the handles on the top also have 1 bolt, but very easy to put together. You're gonna get an owner's manual, pair of tongs, 2 pair of these sterno heater cups. You're gonna put your sterno heat in here, light that flame, and then use this cover to adjust the flame as you need. And then place that underneath. These are VEVOR branded here on the front. Really nice looking, all stainless steel. Your food portion will go in there, and then there's a rack on the back of each. It's even got a little drip tray so that the liquid steam condensation on the back of the lid won't drip on the table. It drips into that little tray. And then as far as the dishes go, this is your serving dish here. And then this is where you would put water so that the heat coming up from the sterno, keep that water nice and warm, keep all the food above it warm as well. This comes out like that. So nice handles on each side. Real pretty with the stainless steel. Got a nice look to them. And they should last you a long time. You're gonna get a set of 2 with this configuration. And they really, really look nice. I like the round set versus the rectangular. These are my favorite. Hope that helps. Have a great day.